Blood groups. Human blood contains certain specific substances called antigens and antibodies. The antigens are present in the RBC and the antibodies are in the plasma of blood. Antigens are of two types, antigen A and antigen B. Antibodies are also of two types, antibody A and antibody B. On the basis of antigens and antibodies, human blood can be classified into four blood groups, namely A, B, AB and O. The following table will help you to understand who can receive blood from whom. Blood group AB contains antigens A and B. They have no antibodies. They can give blood to blood group AB. They can receive blood from AB, A, B and O. Blood group A contains antigens A and antibodies B. They can give blood to blood group A and AB. They can receive blood from group A and O. Blood group B. They contain antigens B and antibodies A. They can give blood to group B and AB. They can receive blood from group B and O. Blood group O. They do not have any antigens and contain antibodies A and B. They can give blood to AB, A, B and O. They can receive blood from O. O group blood can be donated to persons having any group of blood. Hence, this group O is known as universal donor. AB group of blood can receive blood of all the groups. Hence, AB group is known as universal recipient. When antigen A combines with antibody A, they will react, resulting in the clotting of blood. This process is called agglutination. Similarly, blood having antigen B reacts with antibody B, causing agglutination. So, grouping of blood is necessary for making transfusion of blood from one person to another. RH types. Many people have a RH factor on the surface of red blood cells. This is also an antigen. Those who have RH factor are called RH positive and those who do not have it are called RH negative. According to the above grouping system, one can belong to either of the following 8 blood groups. Blood group A, ARH positive, ARH negative. Blood group B, BRH positive, BRH negative. Blood group AB, ABRH positive and ABRH negative. Blood group O, ORH positive and ORH negative. A person with RH positive blood does not have RH antibodies naturally in the blood plasma. But when a person with RH negative blood receives blood from a person with RH positive blood, he can develop RH antibodies in the blood plasma. This is because RH antigen of the RH positive blood can trigger the production of RH antibodies. It may not show any reaction at the first time, but if the same person is again transfused with RH positive blood, then antibody present in the blood produced at the time of the first transfusion react adversely, destroying the red blood cells. It is very dangerous. Therefore, in blood transfusion, RH positive factor is also taken into account. A person with RH positive blood can receive blood from a person with RH negative blood without any problems. Blood transfusion. Transfusion is a life-saving process needed in case of extensive loss of blood. Every human has his or her own blood type. Karl Landsteiner discovered the 4 types of blood groups and a method for transfusing blood from one person to another. This grouping was done based on the presence of antigens and antibodies. The antigens and antibodies are of two kinds, A and B antigens as well as A and B antibodies.